Thrifty Mister here. Losing a remote sucks. It renders your device unusable unless you want to walk your fluffy carcass up there and actually change the channel by hand. And who the heck wants to do that? So normally I leave the lights on in my little photo booth, but we'll turn them off, and this here, the proof will be in the pudding. There it is. She works. Everything works. Ready to set up with your TV. That's for your Hitachi CLU-5729TSI TV. Go buy that on the eBay account, Shane Petman. Comment for further information.